Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about how to respond to classwork questions in Google Classroom. I'm going to be demoing this from a student's perspective. Today we're going to look at identifying questions in Classwork by icon, understanding the layout of questions in Classwork, and responding and submitting to short answer and multiple choice questions in Classwork. Okay, let's go. You'll notice when you enter Google Classroom that there are 3 tabs across the top: the Stream, the Classwork, and the People. All of my tasks are going to be located in Classwork. In order to identify questions in Classwork, I'm going to look for the question marks. It looks like I have 2 to complete. By clicking on the title, I can see a preview of the task. To view the question, I click on View Question. Let's take a look at the layout of this question. At the top, I see the assignment name, my teacher's name, the time it was posted, and the number of points that this assignment is worth. In this area, I see some instructions, a passage, and a question. This may look different depending on your teacher. I'll need to read the instructions carefully to make sure that I understand all the expectations of the task. When I am ready to mark my answer, I will mark it here. If I need to leave the teacher a private comment, I will type it in this box. However, anything that I type in this box will be visible to the rest of the class. I'm going to check my answer one last time and then click Turn In. Let's go back to the Classwork page to view our second question. Remember, I click once to preview and View Question to view the question. Most of the layout for short answer questions is going to be the same as a multiple choice question. I have my question title at the top, teacher's name, time posted, and number of points available. Instead of a multiple choice selection, I have an answer box to type my answer. I'm going to read the instructions carefully to make sure that I understand all the requirements of the task. I'm going to read the passage and read the question, and then type in my response. This teacher asked me to use complete sentences, so I'm going to do just that. When I feel like my response is complete, I'm going to click Turn In. I'm then going to return to the Classwork page just to make sure that I didn't miss anything. I notice that the icons have turned gray, and when I expand the task, they both say Turned In. So I guess we're all finished here. Be sure to check out my other student tutorial videos about classwork tasks in Google Classroom on my YouTube channel, and hit those like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on any tips to help you succeed in your virtual classroom. Thanks again for watching, and stay well.